Hi guys, welcome again in Chemistry World. In today's session, I am going to discuss about coordination number, homoleptic complex and heteroleptic complex. First of all, we read about coordination number. The total number of coordinate bonds formed by central metal with the ligands are called coordination number of that metal ion. For example, Cu2 plus in CuCN4 2 minus ion is 4. We know that in cyanide there is one donor atom carbon is present, therefore coordination number of Cu2 plus in this coordination ion is 4. Similarly, Ag plus 1 in AgCN2 minus ion is 2. Similarly, here one carbon atom participate in dative bond, therefore coordination number of Ag plus in this complex ion is 2. In other way, we can say that cyanide is monodentate L, therefore coordination number of Ag plus in this complex ion is 2. Similarly, cobalt third in COEN3 3 plus ion is 6. We know that ethylene diamine is a bidentate ligand, so coordination number of cobalt 3 plus in this complex ion is 6. 1 En formed two dative bond with central metal, therefore coordination number of the central atom is 6. Similarly, Ni2 plus coordination number of Ni2 plus in NiNS3 6 Cl2 is 6. We know that amine is monodentate ligand, therefore coordination number of nickel 2 plus in this complex compound is 6. Similarly, coordination number of Fe3 plus ferric ion in FeC2O4 3 minus ion is 6. We know that oxalato is a bidentate L, therefore coordination number of ferric ion in the complex ion is 6. Very important. Next example, coordination number of platinum 4 plus in the complex ion is 6. We know that chlorido is a monodentate L, therefore coordination number of platinum 4 plus in this complex ion is 6. Similarly, cobalt 2 plus in Na2CO AcAc2Cl2 is 6. We know that AcAc is a bidentate ligand, whereas chlorido is a monodentate ligand, therefore 2 to 4 to 6. So we can say that coordination number of central atom cobalt is 6. Now, next important thing for coordination number is coordination number of central metal in a coordination compound or ion is responsible for geometry of complex. Very important. If coordination number are 2, the geometry of coordination compound or ion will be linear. For example, AgCN2 minus 1 ion. In this condition of coordination number are 2, the ablative state of central atom is Sp, therefore geometry of coordination compound or ion is linear. Similarly, if coordination number are 3, then the geometry of coordination compound or complex will be triangular planar. For example, SgI3 minus iron. In this condition, the relationship of central metal is the sp2, therefore geometry is triangular planar. Now next, if coordination number are 4, then the geometry of complex will be tetrahedral or square planar. For example, NiCO4, the geometry of the complex is tetrahedral. We know that in sp3 hybridized state, the geometry is tetrahedral. Therefore, the hybridization state of nickel 0 in this complex is sp3. Therefore, geometry is tetrahedral. Similarly, NiCN4 2 minus iron, geometry is square planar. In square planar geometry, the hybridization state of central metal is dsp2. Similarly, if coordination number are 5, then the geometry of complex compound or ion will be triangular bipyramidal. For example, FeCO5, geometry is triangular bipyramidal. In this condition, the hybridization state of Fe0 is dsp3. Similarly, in SbF52 minus ion, the geometry is triangular bipyramidal and hybridization state of antimony is sp3d. In this condition, inner d orbital, whereas in this condition of complex ion, the outer d orbital is participate. Similarly, if coordination number are 6, then the geometry of complex is octahedral. For example, CrNs3 3 plus ion, geometry is octahedral and hybridization state of central metal is D2sp3. In this condition, FeF6 3 minus ion, hybridization state of Fe3 plus ferric ion is sp3d2. Therefore, coordination number is 6 and geometry is octahedral. So, coordination number of central metal is responsible for geometry of complexes. Very important. Welcome again. Now we will read about homo and heteroleptic compounds. So, the complexes in which central metal is attached to only one type of donor sites are called homoleptic complexes. For example, NiH2O6 2 plus, similarly FeCN6 4 minus ferrocyanide ion, FeNS3 6 3 plus ion, AgCN2 minus ion, CuEN2 2 plus ion, etc. are the example of homoleptic complexes. In all these complex ion, central metal is surrounded by only one type of donor sites. Therefore, these are homoleptic complexes. Now, heteroleptic complexes. The complexes in which central atom or ion is attached to more than one type of donor groups are called heteroleptic complexes. For example, NiCl2 H2O4, COCl2 NS3 4 plus, PtCl2 NS3 2, COCl NO2 NS3 4, etc. In all these complexes, central atom is surrounded to more than type of donor groups, therefore these are heteroleptic complexes. Now we will take some multiple choice type questions. You can solve all these questions yourself after pausing the video. So welcome again in Abhigyan multiple choice type question series. Question first is, which of the complex have 6 coordination number? Option A, B, C and D. In option A, the coordination number of central ion is 3. We know that En is a bidentate ligand, therefore coordination number is 6. Similarly, in option B, coordination number of ferric ion is 6. Therefore, answer will be option D, both A and B. Now next, question second, coordination compound having tetrahedral geometry, then coordination number is 3, 6, 4, 5. Answer will be option C, 4. Now next, third question. Which of the statement is false? A. Complex is a heteroleptic complex. It is a true statement. In option B, in CuGlY2, coordination number of central metal is 4. It is also a true statement. We know that glycinato is a bidentate ligand. Therefore, coordination number of Cu is 4. So it is a true statement. Now next, option C. In homoleptic complex, the central metal is attached to only one type of donor sites. It is also a true statement. And D, none of the above. So answer will be option D, none of the above. All these statements are true. Now next, fourth question. Which of the following shows linear structure? We know that in coordination number 2, the relationship of central metal is Sp and geometry is linear. So option A, coordination number of central metal is 6. In option B, coordination number of central metal is 2. In option 3, C, coordination number of central atom is 3. And in option D, central atom have 5 Cn. Therefore, answer will be option B. Now next and last question. 5. In a complex, coordination number of central metal is 5. Then what will be the number of coordinate bonds? Very important. We know that coordinate bonds is equal to coordination number. Therefore, answer will be option C, 5. Hopefully guys, you have understood about coordination number, homoleptic and heteroleptic complexes. Thanks for watching the video.